Due to the rising gas prices, especially diesel fuel, which I use, I decided to bring out my Ebike Conversion Kit from 12 years ago. Bringing it out from the bodega after so many years, I am not sure if it will still work. Let's find out. I purchased it online. I cannot remember if it was from eBay or some other shopping platforms. I remember it had to go through customs. It says here, pedal assist is not working. I used 4 12-volt motorcycle batteries to run it, but it did not last long. I had no way to charge it, so I kept it in storage. We have the controller, which is the brains of the electric bicycle. The brake system, which cuts off power and engages the brakes as well. The on-off switch and battery indicator and 3 modes of power. The thumb throttle. The twist throttle. I prefer the thumb throttle for more control. This is the 48-volt, 1000-watt brushless hub motor. Just had brand new inner tube and tires installed. I had Jansen Jeffer Nionis fix and insulate the wires. You can see it has rusted quite a bit. I purchased from Shopee a 48-volt, 20-ampere-hour lithium-ion battery. This is considered the heart of the electric bicycle. It is quite heavy. This is the charging port. I went to Edwin's bike shop to have the pedal assist installed on my bike. He accommodated my request, even though he did not normally do this type of modification. It was successfully installed. Now, to test the pedal assist, sadly, it does not work. I should have believed the manual. Now, to test the battery with the hub motor,
yes.
the hub motor will not fit the yellow bike, so I use this old Marin bicycle. This bike was used by Kyle in 2012 during our active biking days. This was a fun ride with the Claren Bikers Adventure Team. I will be installing the battery in the down tube. Attaching the base of the battery. Just slide this in place. The controller will go here. I have encased it in a plastic container, which I purchased from Shopee. Now to test it. It is working really well.